So hey guys, how are you? Myself Anshu and welcome back to my channel Anshu4you. Do you know very well in this topic today video? So in this video I cover the topics in which how to add the font in Pixellab applications. Now if you have the Pixellab application, you face many problems how to add the how to add the fonts in your Pixellab applications. So in this video I clear all these problems. Just you watch this video till end. Now I'm going to introduce how to solve this problem very easy way. If you want to extract, if you face any problem to extract a font, now in this video I clear all this. Simply you if you don't have the Pixel applications, those viewers, please go to Play Store or my description box, check it and download the Pixellab application. Now came to our topics how to add the fonts in Pixellab applications. If you have the Pixellab application, just open it and here after open it, here is some interface like this. Here is the some interface. If you open the Pixellab applications, what you do first, first if you type here, I am typing our channel name Anshu4you, here is cut Anshu4you, mistakes repeatedly, Anshu4you. Let's type our channel name. You subscribe me and also watch this video till end and know how to add the fonts in your Pixellab applications. Here is my typing of our channel name Anshu4you. What to do? Here is the options of AB font. Here is go and several fonts are available here. You use it. But if you want to know to add our choice, how to add our choice of fonts in your mindset, so you know. So if you go, here is a lot of options to use this, but if you want to choose our options, so go my font. If you go my font, here is my adding some fonts. How to add you are these fonts. Simply you go to there, this icon. Here is the plus icon. Here is the plus icon and here is several fonts in several fonts in here. Simply first of all you do extract all this. How to extract it? Go to their file menu, my files. In your phones have a file menu options, application, sorry. So go to there in file, my files, and here is my archives, and here is my zip folder. And you need to what to do here, you need to extract all this. How to extract this? Here is my some unzip folders, just say for example this, and here is came to from here to extract all. So how to extract this all to? First of all you click these icons to extract all this folder. Now I am here to click these options to extract all. So here is I am clicking and two options are showing here: select folder and extract to download. In this case you need to if you download the fonts in a folder, then you select the folder, then you select folder. If you not in your font in the folder, then you select extract download. So here I am click extract to download, and after extract is showing in extract successfully. What to do after this? Going to there our Pixellab applications, just here Pixellab applications, and what to do here? I'm backing and then what am I do? And for fonts, cancel it, and AB fonts, my fonts. Then you click these icons. After clicking this, here is some options. Here is the some options to extract those fonts which extract in my file applications are showing here. So now here is some extract files, and now click on the how to add this fonts to very easy way. Now I'm clicking just here and just here, and I want to add here is some fonts. Now I want to add just a canny pixels. I want to add a canny pixel. Just click here, and here is my in the last segment, here is adding a canny pixel. Just click here, and here is came from, and my fonts is added successfully in this video. So if you helpful this video, please like, share and subscribe. If you face any type of problems, just comment me on my comment box. I guided to everyone step by step. So if you make this video helpful to you, please subscribe my channel and comment me in the comment box. Also